Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite SEO shortcuts, and that's doing keyword research with AI using the glossary keywords method. Now, what the heck are glossary keywords? They are lists of niche specific terms hiding out in glossaries online. And I think they're almost perfect because they're highly relevant to your niche or topic. They often have surprisingly low competition, and they typically attract high search volumes. First things first, how do you even find a glossary in your niche? 100% free way is just to go to Google or your favorite search engine, type in your niche plus glossary, and then click search. Let's say that your niche is bathtubs. So you put in bathtub plus glossary and click search. And boom, you've got a glossary. And here's the gold mine. These niche specific terms are your new best friend. Look how you can get a whole list of all kinds of terms and phrases related to bathtubs, things that you may have never even thought about before. The terms that my audience knows and uses when they talk about the topic. But if I'm not completely immersed in the topic, I might not know every single corner of the niche. Let's get a little bit more fancy. Let's automate this because it's 2025 and we deserve nice things. You can use tools like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity to supercharge your glossary keyword research. These tools can expand them into related search terms and help you prioritize based on search traffic and competition. All you do is plug your niche into one of these tools and ask it to give you a glossary of related terms and phrases related to that topic. And you can ask it to organize things for you, and you can get fancy with your instructions, but that's the gist. Now, if you want to try a tool that has all those custom instructions already built into it, then you might want to try the Glossary Keyword GPT. All you do is paste in your topic or niche, and bam, instant keyword research done for you using this glossary method. Now, once you have these glossary keywords, what do you do with them? What I would suggest is that you plug this new glossary term or phrase, some people call this a seed keyword, into Google, the AI tool, or one of your favorite keyword tools. Let's go back to the bathtub example. Ahrefs, it's my favorite tool to do keyword research. You plug in bathtubs and you get lots of other terms that you can use to create content. Look at these juicy keyword ideas. Low competition, solid traffic, and they're practically begging you to create content. If you're still manually brainstorming keyword ideas, honestly, what are you even doing with your life? The next step is simply to start creating content so that you can rank, get traffic, and monetize that traffic.
It's your new unfair advantage. So go forth, exploit glossaries, and conquer your niche. See you in the next video.